Are you thinking about launching your very own Etsy shop in 2024? Well, buckle up because I have got a game-changing strategy that's gonna set you up for success from day one. In this video, I'm sharing a strategic approach of what I would do if I started a new Etsy shop in 2024 with examples to get you started on the right path. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Step one, market research and niche selection are absolutely critical when gearing up to start your Etsy shop in 2024. It's like laying a solid foundation for your online store, and here's why. Imagine you are passionate about creating handmade jewelry, and that's fantastic. But before you start crafting and listing your beautiful pieces, you want to know where you fit into the big picture, and that's where market research comes in. Market research is like having a treasure map. It helps you pinpoint the hidden gems, or in this case, the niches within the vast jewelry market on Etsy. And here is why it's crucial. One, understanding the competition. By researching, you get to know what other sellers in your niche are offering. You can analyze their product range, pricing, and customer reviews, and this gives you a competitive edge, allowing you to offer something unique or improve upon existing offerings. Number two is identifying trends. The e-commerce world is ever-changing and trends come and go. When you delve into market research, you might stumble upon a fascinating trend. Perhaps in our jewelry example, it's a rising interest in sustainable jewelry. So recognizing these trends early on helps you position your shop to meet the growing demand. Number three is finding your unique selling proposition, USP. Now remember, you're not just starting a jewelry shop, you are starting your jewelry shop. This means that you could carve out a niche that truly resonates with you. For instance, if you're passionate about eco-friendliness, this niche could be your sweet spot. You can focus on crafting jewelry using sustainable materials like recycled metals and highlight your commitment to a greener planet. And number four, targeted marketing. When you have identified your niche, marketing becomes more precise. You know exactly who your potential customers are, what they're looking for, and how to reach them. This saves you time and resources compared to trying to appeal to a broad, undefined audience. Step two is all about product development. Now, let's say that you have chosen your niche, which is sustainable jewelry. Now, it's not just about creating any type of jewelry. It's about crafting pieces that resonates with eco-conscious consumers. And this might mean using recycled metals, ethically sourced gemstones, or other sustainable materials. We want to craft a cohesive collection, and your Etsy shop is like an art gallery and your products are the exhibits. So a cohesive collection not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also tells a story. For example, if your niche is sustainable jewelry, your collection should include necklaces, earrings, bracelets that all follow the same eco-friendly theme. This consistency helps build a strong brand identity. Plus, it will also help you get more upsells and repeat customers. When they buy the earrings, you could easily upsell them the necklace. And you could do this sales strategy with various niches. For example, if you sell wedding printables, you could easily upsell them the RSVP cards. Step three, pricing strategy. Research similar products on Etsy to determine competitive pricing. Consider factoring in the cost of materials, labor, and a reasonable profit margin. I also recommend pricing your products a bit higher to cover accidentals or lost packages. As an Etsy seller, you will experience unexpected issues such as damaged items during shipping or packages that mysteriously go missing. So by building in a cushion in your pricing, you are prepared to handle these situations without eating into your profits. Step four, Etsy SEO. Now make sure that you are optimizing your listings and taking advantage of Etsy SEO. The main benefit of starting an Etsy business is that they have pre-built traffic. So even if you're starting from scratch or don't have a large following, you can actually make a lot of money on Etsy. My first year on Etsy, I made over $21,000 selling digital products by focusing on Etsy SEO. Now, to fully optimize your listings for SEO, make sure that you have user-friendly titles that is easy to read but optimized for SEO, and avoid keyword stuffing because it is frowned upon Etsy. I recommend writing 1 to 2 short sentences describing your product and plug in 2 to 4 tags in your actual title. Another tip is don't use competitive keywords since they will bury your listings at a sea of competition. Instead, optimize your listings with a mix of specific and relevant keywords, and also use long tail keywords that describe your product accurately. For example, instead of using necklace, use handcrafted turquoise pendant necklace to stand out in specific searches. Now, it's important that you add your tags in your title and descriptions for you to rank on Etsy. Make sure to use attributes that are relevant to your products and place your products in the right categories. Now, if you feel like you're still struggling with getting the hang of Etsy SEO, grab my free guide that will walk you through the entire process of optimizing your listings. Comment below SEO and I will send you the guide. Step 5, email marketing. Start an email list for your Etsy shop and use it from day one. As a business owner, your main priority is 1, how to generate leads. 2, how can you get those leads to buy again? And 3, how can you extend the lifetime value of your customers, which means how can you get them to buy over and over and over again? And you do so by focusing on customer retention. When you're able to focus on getting leads and also customer retention, you will build a sustainable business for years to come and have predictable income every single month. Step number 6 is boost your brand with social media. So increase your brand awareness and sales using social media. And I recommend starting small by focusing on one platform at a time until things become more natural and you grow a following. My rule is 1 platform per year. So how do you get results as a business owner whose main priority should be to drive traffic and increase sales? So let's discuss the content strategy to help you generate demand, build trust, include sales psychology, and incentivize action. And this works on all platforms. The first thing you must do is generate demand. So you need to create posts that show the problem-solving power of your products. You need to highlight versatility to fit into customers' life and add a dash of FOMO with limited editions. Number 2 is build trust. So share glowing customers' testimonial, show the face behind your brand, and educate your audience about your products. Number 3 is sales psychology in action. So create urgency with limited time offers. Use anchoring to make products seem affordable. Flaunt social proof and endorsements. And number 4 is incentivize action. Make sure to use clear call to action in every single post. Offer exclusive deals to your followers. And boost engagement with contests and interactive content. With these tactics, your content strategy becomes a well-rounded powerhouse. It showcases your products, builds trust, sparks demands, and most importantly, drive those sales. Thank you so much for joining me today on this exciting journey into Etsy. If you are an Etsy seller who wants to start, manage, or scale their Etsy shop to a full-time income, this is your invite to my signature course, the Etsy Mastery course. Comment below the word course for more information and check out these additional videos in the screen that's going to definitely help you with your new Etsy venture. See you there.